I can go ahead and install the control board on top of the base plate over those 4 brass pillars. For this, we'll start by examining how best to run the cables from the servos. It appears that the best is for them to go through those big square holes here around the servos. The control board is oriented with those 2 sensors matching those 2 sloped areas here. There is square opening for the on-off switch on the control board, and here for the infrared receiver there is a round hole. There is also a small hole for the power indicator LED. So go ahead and carefully plug the board, making sure that everything goes to the corresponding holes, if necessary, using the screwdriver to help me direct the different sensors. The control board slides nice and easy, and now I can use the remaining tall brass copper pillars from this back to mount the control board in place. I'll take them out and start tightening. Again, do not over tight yet. To make sure that we can do adjustments. When they're in place, I can go ahead and tighten the bottom bolts. If necessary, I can rotate slightly the legs to give me better access. Here is the control board mounted, and I can even go ahead and connect the 4 servos to their corresponding connectors. So the bottom leg will go into the D connector for down, the bottom servo, and the higher servo, which is on the base plate of the head, will go to the corresponding U connector. So these are the right servos and the left servos, again making sure that the keys are matching the slots. The bottom servo down and the upper servo properly connected to the control board, to the corresponding U and D connectors. So as you can see, the robot already starts to look as shown on this picture.